Lawrence, these incredible markets now shooting up in the green. What's going on?
I wouldn't call it shooting up in the green. Just, yeah, I mean, yes, it is positive today, and there is a rebound. But hey, guess what? We're not over 20,000 yet. And you know, I think we're going to see these kind of bounces again. We're kind of still hovering around the 20,000, under 20,000, $19,000 range. We had a sell-off yesterday on the CPI number that came in that was worse, which is higher than expected. But yeah, I think the markets are kind of, you know, they're trying to find some optimism. I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. But yeah, you know, we have some interesting stuff going on. Obviously, in the UK, they're getting rid of their finance minister. He had
after only 38 days.
Yeah, I've had jobs that lasted shorter than that, to be honest.
But nevertheless, he said on Twitter that it's an honor to serve, which is interesting for his 38-day tenure, kind of like Scaramucci. And Scaramucci found his way after his 11 days at the White House as a communications director.
But Scaramucci didn't blow up the bond market.
Yes, and this leaves the fate of the draft laws to regulate stablecoins in the hands of a successor whose identity is yet to be known, although there is speculation that a former foreign minister, Jeremy Hunt, might be the replacement.
Well, yeah, we'll see how that goes. The problem might be bigger than that. I don't want to point fingers just yet, but this was I would have to say that Truss's rollout of the budget was almost as bad as the rollout of New Coke in the 80s.
Well, also, speaking of folks out the door, it looks like crypto trading firm NYDIG is laying off about 33% of their staff, according to CoinDesk sources, which is, you know, we have been seeing a lot of crypto firms have been laying off folks in the bear market. It's tough to see.
You know, it's 100 people that got laid off from NYDIG, which is like, first of all, I didn't know they had 300 people working. That's a lot of people. But it also shows that it shows the amount of irrational exuberance that happened during the run up to 68,000, if you will, and all the hiring that happened. And this, you know, I think the Super Bowl was the high point in the economy of crypto. That should have been the first signal that things were going to go bad. So. And
WisdomTree's spot Bitcoin ETF was rejected by the SEC this week. It happened on the same day that Grayscale filed a legal brief against the U.S. regulator, calling the rejection of their own spot Bitcoin ETF, quote, arbitrary, capricious, and discriminatory. Folks, note that Grayscale is a sister company of CoinDesk under the DCG umbrella.